Is your check engine light on, and is your scan tool showing code P0095? This might be why your engine is feeling a bit off. Today, we are looking at the P0095 diagnostic trouble code, which stands for Intake Air Temperature Sensor 2 Circuit Malfunction. This is a generic powertrain code, so it applies to most vehicles equipped with OBD2, whether you are driving a Ford, Chevy, or Toyota. The intake air temperature, or IAT sensor, is basically a thermistor. That means it measures the temperature of the air entering your engine by detecting resistance. As air passes over the sensor, the resistance changes. Your car's computer, the Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, sends out a 5-volt reference signal to this sensor. When the air is cold, the resistance is higher, which keeps the signal voltage high. When the air is warm, resistance drops, and so does the voltage. If the PCM sees a voltage that is completely outside the normal operating range for sensor number 2, it triggers this code. You might not feel any major symptoms other than that annoying light on your dashboard, but in some cases you might notice poor drivability. So what causes this? It could be that the sensor has physically shifted out of the airflow, the sensor itself has gone bad, or there's a short or open circuit in the wiring. It is also possible, though less likely, that the PCM is failing. To fix this, start with a visual check. Make sure the sensor is plugged in and has not fallen out of the intake duct. Next, grab your scan tool. With the key on and the engine off, check the IAT reading. If the engine is cold, it should match your coolant temperature sensor reading. If the IAT says it is negative 40 degrees or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, you have a problem. Unplug the sensor and test the resistance across the terminals with a multimeter. If it shows infinite resistance, the sensor is toast and needs to be replaced. If the sensor is fine, you need to check the wiring. With the sensor unplugged, if your scan tool shows the lowest extreme temperature, replace the sensor. If the reading does not change when you unplug it, you might have a wiring issue. Check for 5 volts at the connector. If you have 5 volts and a good ground, jumper the 2 terminals together. The scanner should now read the highest temperature extreme. If it does, your wiring is good, and the sensor is the culprit. If you do not have 5 volts, you need to trace that wire back to the PCM. If you're uncomfortable with electrical testing, this is the time to visit a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing that code.